Hi, Michael here, and in this video journal I'll start working on the top for my new Walnut guitar build that I started in the last two video journals. Keep watching! I selected some Sitka spruce that has been aged for about 30 years that I'm going to use for the top. Some nice straight grain, well-aged Sitka spruce. So the first thing that I need to do is join these plates, and to do that I want to make sure I've got a real nice tight joint running down the middle. And you can see with the top here, I've got a wide gap all the way down the middle and it's touching at the ends. So I'm going to need to adjust these plates so that they fit flush and I get no daylight between them. Well, in order to join these two surfaces and get a nice joint for my top, I'm going to use a little shooter board type thing here. Basically, I'm just clamping the spruce plates in this jig. I just have a level with some sandpaper glued to it, since I don't have much to take off. Okay, with just a little bit of spot sanding on that little problem high spot right there, I've got it back over here on my light box, and just with a very small amount of pressure, I'm getting virtually no light at all coming through there. Without any pressure at all, that's what it looks like. See if I can zoom in a little bit here. So that's what we want. Well, I have my glue-up board repositioned so that I can join the top plates. And this is some old Sitka spruce that I'm going to join. So go ahead and get ready and get this going. And then we'll put a little bead of glue down there. I'm going to put a weight on this back side just to keep that plate from buckling up when I put all the tension on it. Not much. Okay. Now for my wedges. So we'll put a weight on this side too. There we go. And I'll let that glue set up until it's just a little bit leathery, and then I'll go ahead and clean that glue squeeze out. Well, my top has been clamped in my jig overnight, and it's time to go ahead and take it out. First, I want to release the pressure by removing my wedges. Okay. You can see how the glue squeeze out has beaded up and not flowed all over the back of the top. Okay. This top is going to have a mother of pearl and koa rosette inlaid in it. And the first thing I've done is join the plates, and now I just need to go ahead and mark my profile on here. And on both sides. And I'll go ahead and mark my oversized outside line here too. My sound hole is 3 7/8 of an inch in diameter, and the center of the sound hole is approximately 6 inches down from where the body and the top meet. So 6 inches. Well, I've got all my abalone shell and my koa pieces for my rosette cut, and it's time to start gluing them in. First thing I'll do, I'll start off with my little lug knot rosette right here in the middle. I think I've got it fitted well enough. Just gonna spread it around a little bit with a toothpick. Okay. Okay, now that I've gotten this top cut out, start working on the brake. Well, I'll stop here on this video journal on joining the plates. Next time I'll start working on the bracing for this top, and it'll probably be a little bit longer video journal, so I wanted to keep kind of this one short. And thank you so much for everybody who's bought me a coffee. There is a link down below if you'd like to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.